how to fix Instagram not showing idle musics. So hello guys, if you are facing that problem and you want to fix that, the process was same for Android iPhone. So for that we will simply go to Play Store and Android. You guys can go to App Store. Here you get me search for Instagram. So I will simply search for Instagram. Once you search for that, if here it says update, you simply update it, and once you update it, it will fixed. And if it says open, so the next step will be simply hold on Instagram app. Once you hold on that, you guys will see eye icon. In some devices, you guys will see 3 dots. Simply click on that eye icon. After that, you guys will see storage usage, data usage. You simply click on storage usage. Here you guys will see clear cache, clear data. So simply click on clear cache. Once you click here, your problem will be fixed. And let's see our problem was fixed or not. So for that, I will simply go to Instagram app. To so here you guys will simply click on newer story. Now upload the video. Here click on music. Once you click on music, you guys can see for you trending shared right now. So here our all music was showing. That's how you guys can fix your problem. Thanks for watching.